guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Saina Sekhri and आपने टाइटल तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा और उससे पता चल ही गया होगा that today I'm going to share some of the things that I have been doing this past week, 10 days now for the festive season, and I thought why not go ahead and share that with you guys as well, just in case it helps you guys. Today I'm going to talk about some of the products that I have been using since this past week, some DIY face masks, some hair masks, so that you guys can also go ahead and try that out for yourself. So the very first thing that I have been doing this past week is that I have been hydrating myself constantly. I've been drinking so much of water. I'm trying to consume as much water as possible because I am a dry skin type and I have to keep myself hydrated. So I'm literally one of those people who just forgets to drink water the entire day. Like मैं literally पूरा दिन पानी के बिना निकाल लेती हूँ, but that's a very bad habit. If you guys are like me, comment down below and let me know. So there's this app called Drink Water which actually tracks how much water you are consuming the entire day. It also notifies you every other hour that you are supposed to go ahead and drink 1 glass of water. So if you are someone like me and you need someone to push you to get yourself hydrated, you can definitely go ahead and download this app. I feel like in today's time there's an app for everything and anything, and there's this app that I am recommending you guys. You can definitely go ahead and check that out. So the second thing that I'm going to talk about is basically something that I used to do in school, and I really had such long hair. Like मेरे almost knees तक मेरे बाल लंबे थे. I wonder why I ever stopped doing it. I used to basically consume 1 amla's juice mixed with hot water. It was really a game changer for me, and this is something that you can definitely go ahead and try. I have been following this since the past week, and I really regret why I ever stopped drinking it. All you need is just 1 amla every single morning. You can actually extract the juice out of it, drink it and have hot water. So, and if you drink it constantly every single morning, you will literally notice how much your hair will start to grow, and it will actually grow out really healthy. The third thing that I'm going to talk about is basically a skincare product. I have been using this product since almost 10 to 15 days now, and if you are a dry skin type, you definitely need this in your life. And even if you're not, this product is for all skin types. The product that I'm talking about is basically Ahe Naturals Intense Rejuvenating Cream, which has kumkumadi and saffron. So this product has literally been a savior for my skin. So like the name suggests, this cream has saffron, sandalwood and some rare herbs. It also has some healing oils that is infused within the ingredients, and we all love luminous hydrated skin for the festive season, and this is just going to do that. It is very soothing, and it is so lightweight that it literally blends and it gets absorbed in your skin very easily and very quickly. So this is sulfate free, paraben free, mineral oil free. It is basically also cruelty free. So I absolutely love this product. If you're looking forward to that intense hydration that also provides luminosity and suppleness to your skin, this is the product that you need to go for. So how I like to use this product is that I take some amount of product using my fingertips, and I basically warm up the product between my fingertips. I feel like it helps to release the active ingredients that are present in this cream. Then I usually go ahead and apply it all over my face and neck in upward and circular motions. So I like to use this product during the night time, but I also sometimes use it during the daytime because it is that lightweight. So what you will notice over time is that it transforms your skin's texture. It provides clarity and brightness to your face, which I feel like I absolutely need for the festive season. So basically kumkumadi oil is made up of 21 ingredients, and it has some Ayurvedic benefits. So this product is also alcohol free, and if you're a sensitive skin type, you can definitely get your hands on it. So this product retails for 1795 rupees. You can definitely go ahead and check out the description box below. I will be linking this product down below. You can also go ahead and check out some of the other products that are available by Ahe Naturals. So the fourth thing that I'm going to talk about today is basically basically a hair pack that I absolutely love. You only need 3 ingredients for this hair pack: aloe vera gel, coconut oil and honey. So you can either go ahead with the natural aloe vera gel by basically cutting out a leaf of the aloe vera plant and scooping out all the gel from the leaf. Now what aloe vera does is that it has vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, which basically promotes cell turnover and it gives you some healthy looking and shiny hair. So the next thing that you need is 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil, or according to the length of your hair. If you have a shorter hair length, you can basically take the ingredients accordingly. So like you guys know, coconut oil is basically one of the best ingredients that provide moisture to your hair, and it basically seals the moisture into the hair. It basically provides intense moisturization to your hair, which acts like a preconditioning for the hair. Now you can go ahead and mix 1 tablespoon of honey. So what the honey will do is basically it will lock the shine in your hair, it will lock the moisture, and it will also promote the luster of your hair. You can go ahead and apply this hair mask from your scalp to the entire length and leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can go ahead and wash your hair like you do regularly. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is basically going to provide you that instant skin glow. So if you actually don't get time to basically follow all of these things, you can definitely resort to this last step. All you need again are just 3 ingredients that you will easily find at your home. You need mint, sugar and curd. So आपको थोड़ा सा पुदीना लेना है and you have to mix it with your sugar granules. Basically you can go ahead and kaddukas these 2 ingredients together. What the mint will do is that it has salicylic acid, so it will basically prevent your acne and breakouts, and it will provide you a very nice glow. Now you will say that sugar granules could be a little harsh for your skin, but I understand, which is why we are going to include the third ingredient in this recipe, which is the curd. It will basically melt down the sugar granules and basically blend both of the other 2 ingredients together. So all of these 3 ingredients together will sort of form a scrub. You can go ahead and scrub your face for the next 2.5 minutes, and then you can leave this face mask on for the next 10 minutes. Now once you wash it off, you will see an instant glow to your skin. I have been using this recipe since last 2 months now, and it has done wonders whenever there's a last minute plan that I have to attend. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you go ahead and try some of these tips and tricks. If you also go ahead and try one of the recipes that I shared with you guys, definitely let me know the results in the comment section down below. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys are the first ones to see it. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys next time.